in a case you get pulled over at a station and you need to show the driver or the officer your logbook, all you do is go back to the main screen using dashboard, go to the bottom and click roadside check. What it's prompting me to do at the moment is create a temporary PIN number. This temporary PIN number you will be creating every single time you hit roadside check. I'm going to make a PIN of 1234. And again, just confirm it. And here you are. At this point, you would hand over the tablet to the officer, or they will give you an email address to send the logs directly to them as well. The officer gives you back your phone or a tablet, you're able to hit exit at the top, enter in that temporary PIN to get back into the main screen.